number one entertainment channel for the last decade, has in many ways led the discussion about family values, and women characters have been most important to us. So Star Plus is not just the favorite.
Still can always be a part of and is a sexual offence, but
it's something that we fought for as many years of experience to learn what it means. And younger people, younger women, younger children who are sexual
an advance is going to take the issue to court to try and understand that the moment she steps out of her close-knit circle to make a complaint, whether it's to her police or whether it's
at the end, there's enough legislation. We have great laws against child marriage, against sati, against dowry, but the laws have never changed society. And I feel very strongly we have a National Commission for Women who does. You can find any amount of.
Part of it, what you're essentially saying is we need a massive national awareness program, and as part of that is the media.
To a hole to watch a girl taking a bath. I don't find that funny. And it's all considered very cutesy and funny and legitimate thing, it could be.
And also sexual harassment at workplace will have to be then looked at point to point. I think you cannot really say that only within the office once you happen to be there. Something like that should be taken into cognizance when you are inside the office premises.
The more women we have in positions of power, the more women we have. For example, in the US Supreme Court, they are seeing that, they are expecting that there will be a change in the whole notion of looking at issues on the law. Now that there are 3 women in the Supreme Court.
होती है, ज़्यादा नुकसानदायक होती है, और इसी वजह से ये जो काली है, क्योंकि हमारा ये मानना है कि आप स्कूलों के माध्यम से चीजें बता सकते हैं या आप कानून के कटघरे में.
Put the whole debate into focus. I think there's very little to say, but coming from the fashion industry, I really do believe there's no such thing as a gender bias, really, because there are lots of male models who complain about being